Okay, so this is a BR20 burner that's working perfectly well. A couple of things if you've got issues getting a successful ignition or flame out of a BR20 is turning the silver wheel down to something like a 1 to 2 figure, so you can come in on that, Pete, and set the air down to around about a 5 or a 6 mil gap. That gives you a known starting point. So what we'll do right now is just before we start, we will just check we've got oil inside the tank and do some basic checks. Okay, so particularly if you're not getting any ignition or no flame after the motor starts, check that you have oil inside your degassing pipe, and really the only way to check that is with this torch. So I can see that our oil level is around about there, and there's the oil up here in the degassing pipe. It's very important to check that. Make sure that this is kept reasonably straight for the first 300 mils. Okay, so that's the first check. So we've got oil here. That means we've got oil in the preheat tank. I put my fingers on the top of that and it feels nice and warm, so the gun is pretty much ready to go. So what we'll do is we'll just run it up for a second and we'll see what happens. Has this got the energy save on it? You might as well pause that, Pete.